Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hello. So I recently repotted this elephant bush succulent thing, and it looks so nice. I love it. And this one was inside that pot right below there, but it was kind of struggling, so I gave it its own little pot. And if you watched my video on failure, you would have seen that I planted some seedlings. These are the only ones that survived. The rest of them sprouted, but they quickly died after they sprouted, so I have to try again with a different method for those. So I just put this right here where it can get a lot of sunlight. Look at them, they're looking so nice. In no time I will have peppers growing. I don't even eat sweet peppers. Honestly, I'm gonna give away all the peppers that grow from these plants because I don't really eat them. Looks so nice. Wonderful. And my succulents are looking so happy and healthy. So nice. Good morning, my sweet things. I have a little surprise for you all. Surprise! Meixing. I have been keeping this cat that I showed in my vlog last time for like 2 weeks now. She is so cuddly. Hello. I named her Mei Xing, which means beautiful star in Chinese, and I was actually planning to adopt her, but after carrying her home and having her for 2 weeks, I realized that 3 cats is just a lot, and that I'm actually content with my 2 cats, and so I'm fostering her. I'm her foster mom, so I'm gonna keep her, feed her, give her antibiotics twice a day because she's actually recovering from something. We don't know what. Hey! Hey! Yes? Hello? She's just been in here like by herself. Look, she's kneading the floor. She's been in here by herself and she's really cuddly. She's been so lonely in the office. I haven't been really working from in the office, so she's been lonely. So I'm gonna introduce her to my cats, and if all goes well, I'll just let her have free roam of the house like the rest of them. She's looking around. This one, Tempe, is like a bully. She always fights. Are you going to hiss at her? Hmm? See, she's hissing. She doesn't like strange anything. Strangers, strange humans, strange cat. Tempe does not like strangers. Okay, so I think that's good enough for a first time introduction. I'm bringing her back to the office. I should put this in the fridge. It will taste so good cold. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Itadakimasu. Mm, this tastes so good. You must think a wangagot. I promise I'm not a wangagot person. It just tastes so good. Oh, I'm so tired.
Na doni dashi ni hapo timu hapo.
I have carrots in the fridge all long though use it. Carrot juice can I make him blend down?
Yes.
Thank you.
Share this one for us, please. Eh, no bad.
Why are you licking my melon? Stop. Even though I'm not going to eat the skin. You just want to lick everything. Stop. Look at her. Does the outside of the melon taste good? Crazy. Life with cats. I still didn't soak these off yesterday and they're looking atrocious. A few of them have broken since this morning. Actually, I'm gonna do Pilates first and then do my nails and make my bed. I didn't make my bed this morning. I got up really early, like 5:30, and just went to the market. So
beautiful. Shift forward to your hands and your knees down to the floor. Rotate your arms outwards. Bring your hands together in prayer.